This video explains what grid lines are. In simple terms, grid lines are the faint lines that visually separate cells in a spreadsheet. They help you see where one cell ends and another begins. Grid lines matter because they make the structure of rows and columns visible. They help you read data accurately and keep your place when working with large amounts of information. Grid lines are not the same as borders that you manually add to cells. They are not table formatting styles, and they are not the lines you see in a chart or graph. Grid lines are visual guides inside the worksheet and are not part of the data itself. You do not need to memorize this. You only need to recognize the faint lines that organize spreadsheet cells. You see grid lines by default in spreadsheet programs like Excel. They appear between all cells on the screen. You can choose to show or hide them without changing any of the data. This diagram organizes the idea of grid lines. Use it as a reference if needed. When you see faint lines separating cells in a spreadsheet, those are grid lines.